Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Okay guys, so as you all have already seen the title, today's video is very special to me. In fact, Anwar Jan had shown me this video yesterday. I was all into tears. This was not meant for going on a social platform. This was mainly made to surprise me. So I thought I should be sharing this moment with you guys because this video was so special to me. So I thought this should be coming to you guys as well. You guys also should see this video and see the love that has been showered onto me. So that is why I'm going to film this intro and show this video to you guys. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started.
Congratulations, Sameera, on crossing 2 lakh subscribers. It's a big milestone, a big success, and it's an example of your hard work. You are an inspiration to so many inspiring YouTubers. I've seen your journey. I'm very closely associated with you, so I know more about you. It's not only me, there are so many other inspiring, hardworking, self-made women and very strong and very passionate ladies who are feeling the same what I'm feeling. From my side, it's lots of blessings to you. A long way to go and more success from bottom of my heart. Congratulations once again. Keep rocking and keep inspiring all of us.
Hi Sameera, congratulations for 200k subscribers. Oh my god, that's a beautiful milestone you have set for yourself, but many more to go. We are looking forward to see more subscribers in your channel. Proud of you, Sameera. God bless you.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Sam, I simply love your style and I'm so happy that you are where you are today. Congratulations for the silver play button. I'm waiting for the day we both touch 1 million and that day is not far away. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep going ahead. Forget the haters. Forget all the negative comments. Just keep going for the people that love you, and one of them is me. I love your sunshine presence on the camera and I simply love your honest reviews. Keep going, girl. I'm all for you and I'm all for Team Sameera. Lots and lots of love to you from Ashrix. That is your Ashmita Didi. Mwah.
Breaking news. Sameera Sharif YouTube channel 200k subscribers ki reach ayindi. Isn't it amazing? Yes. Sameera, congratulations and wishing you even more success in the future. తొందరలోనే మీ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ 1 million మార్క్ చేరుకోవాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. I hope very soon you will reach that.
Hi Sameera, congratulations on reaching 200k mark subscribers on your YouTube channel. Hoping and wishing that you continue entertaining all of us with your amazing videos. All the very best.
Hi Sameera Garu, this is Harika Sadhu. Firstly, heartily congratulations for reaching 200k subscribers and I wish you to reach more subscribers soon. All the best, congratulations.
Congratulations Sameera. యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో 200k ఫ్యామిలీ రీచ్ అయ్యారు. త్వరలోనే మీరు 1 million ఫ్యామిలీ రీచ్ అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Hi Sameera ma'am, congratulations for hitting 200k subscribers on YouTube. Fashion, beauty, cooking videos with Sana ma'am, #couple goal videos with Anwar sir, and editing దగ్గర నుంచి everything you've taken care. Hats off to you and congratulations once again.
Hi Cham, I love you so much and hearty congratulations for your 200k subscribers. Rock on, keep rocking and I love you always. So whoever didn't subscribe yet, so do subscribe. Sameera Sharif, love you and congratulations.
Hi Sameera sis, my best wishes for your 200k subscribers on YouTube. Keep rocking.
Hey Sam, how are you? First of all, hearty congratulations for 200k YouTube subscribers. I'm so happy Sam. I'm proud of you to achieve this milestone. I wish you reach 1 million pretty soon. All the very best and keep rocking.
Congratulations for the 200k subscribers, Sameera Ka. I'm very happy for you. And guys, if you did not subscribe her channel, go immediately and subscribe Sameera Sharif's channel because she had a very interesting, crazy and beautiful content. So you should not miss it. And once again, congratulations Akka.
Hi Samira, congratulations on 2 lakh subscribers. You have a very nice channel. I've been following it from some time and என்னோட favorite are all the food videos. இன்னொன்று favorite என்னன்னா you recreating your childhood memories. That is damn cute. I hope many more people look up to your channel and keep inspiring. Congratulations.
Hey Samira, hearty congratulations to you for reaching 200k subscribers in your YouTube channel. Reaching such a milestone is not a joke. You're doing an amazing job. May the abundance of love, prosperity, health, happiness, joy and success flow throughout your life. Keep inspiring and all our support will be always there for you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Samira. First of all, congratulations on 200k subscribers for your YouTube channel, and I wish you continue your work and inspire women like us to be independent, to be happy and to success in whatever we do. Congratulations once again. Have a happy life.
Hey Sam, congratulations for 200k subscription. Guys, do follow Samira Sharif on YouTube channel, like, comment and subscribe. I'm sure Sam you'll reach million in soon. All the best in your style, guys. Swipe up.
Hey Samiraka, congratulations for your 200k subscribers on your YouTube channel. Many more to go. Once again, congratulations.
Hi Sam, congratulations on reaching 200k YouTube followers. Lots of success and good luck to you. You just keep rocking. Congratulations once again.
Hi Samira, உங்களுக்கு என்னோட வாழ்த்துக்கள். YouTubeல 2 லட்சம் சப்ஸ்கிரைபர் வந்திருக்காங்க. பர்சனலா நான் என்ன ஃபீல் பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு சையத் கிட்டயும் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். உங்க vloggingலாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப ஹானஸ்டா உங்களோட அப்ரோச் எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. நானும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். இன்னும் நிறைய சப்ஸ்கிரைபர் வர்றதுக்கு என்னோட வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Congratulations Samira Sharif for 200k plus subscribers on your YouTube channel. Hard work never fails. Anadanki example anachu. I love the way you work for your channel and dedication adi, and be the same as you are, and wishing you more success and love you so much Sam.
Samira, congratulations on winning the silver button for YouTube. It's a huge success for you, and you've already been entertaining everybody with your lovely videos, and I'm wishing you lots and lots of success. This is just the beginning, and finally swipe up.
Wow, 200k subscribers. Congrats Samira. இந்த கன்க்ராட்ஸ் இஸ் நாட் ஓன்லி ஃபார் யூ, இது உன்னோட ஹஸ்பண்ட் அண்ட் மதர் இன் லா. கன்ஃபார்மாக அவங்களுக்கு இது ஷேர் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். அவங்களோட சப்போர்ட் அந்தளவுக்கு. ஸோ ஆசம். கன்க்ராட்ஸ் அண்ட் வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் 1 million. ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
Hey Samira, Assalamu alaikum. Congratulations for 200k subscribers on your YouTube channel. I wish you a very good luck, and I love your videos on your channel. Keep entertaining your fans and your subscribers, and all the best and lots love to you.
Hello Samira Sharif, congrats for 200k subscribers in YouTube channel. చాలా మంచి ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అందిస్తుంది. ఫుడీ లవర్స్కి ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళకి ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్, ఇలా చాలా వెరైటీస్ ఆఫ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఉంది. సో ప్లీజ్ కీప్ ఆన్ గోయింగ్. ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ పెరగాలని, ఇంకా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ వ్యూవర్స్కి ఇవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. కంగ్రాట్స్.
That is the love from everybody. Long way to go Samira. Many more success on your way. Once again, heartful congratulations. Friends who haven't subscribed Samira Sharif channel, please do subscribe, like, share and shower your blessings on her. Till I see you next, lots of love. Just try to copy Samira Sharif.
Congratulations.
Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I was all emotional. I was all into tears. I had teary eyes since the very beginning till the end of the video. I have no words to thank everybody who sent me these lovely wishes. A special thanks to Anwar Jan and Sana Mom. Thank you so much. I love you, Anwar Jan. Anwar Jan never fails to make me feel special. We of course have tough times as well, but these moments are something that keeps us whole together and keeps that love alive between us. So thank you so much, Anwar Jan, for being the person who keeps things alive. Thank you so much for surprising me. And thanks to you all guys for subscribing and making it a 2 lakh plus family. Thank you so much. And those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because we need to reach to 1 million to get another surprise. Thank you so much everybody for watching this video till here. I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Oh yeah, before I sign off, I'm extremely sorry that I was not posting videos since the last 3 days. I was kind of little occupied in the other things. That's how I couldn't film or edit or post a video for you guys. But this video that I have shown you guys had pushed me or made me realize that how big family we are. We are a 2 lakh plus family, and I shouldn't be disappointed. I'm so nervous and excited. I shouldn't be disappointing all you guys by not posting, because I know there are so many people who are waiting for my video every day. I'm extremely sorry guys, but yes, hereafter I'll make sure I will put at least 6 videos a week. I'll try my best and push it to 7, like a video every day. But in case if I am occupied with something else, or if there's any technical error or something, because as you guys know, I do everything by my own self, so it obviously gets a little difficult for me to finish and do things. Thank you for being so understanding. I love you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love.